guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be going through my February update for my project pan. So I am so proud of myself this month. Things have been going great. We are having a laid back experience today. I went for a more natural look. I've been wearing this all day, so please excuse me, but I wanted to get this filmed for you guys while I had free time. Okay, so I have products in front of me and my laptop in front of me, so let's get started. Alrighty, so let's go to the top. First things that we have differences in are bronzers and stuff like that. So the first product is my Urban Decay Beach Bronzer. This has had pan showing for many months now. Last time we were at 8 grams, now we're at 6 grams. So a 2 gram difference, that's great. And then slowly but surely, this guy, the Contour and Highlight Palette, last time we were at 35 grams, now we're at 34 grams. So slowly but surely, this little guy is trucking along. Okay, the highlight of the day is this guy right here because, yep, that is all pan, my friends. I finished this. Well, I kind of did because the last bits crumbled out of this and went all over my floor. But this guy is done. I am so excited, so happy. So we are gonna be just using the Prim color. This was the color in Classic. Go us. And that was something that was carried over from last year, so like it's been a while. Okay, my eyeshadow palette for the last 2 months. The Self-Made palette by ABH. I didn't hit pan on any of the colors, but you'll be able to see there are some major dips, especially these 2 shades right here. This was a really enjoyable palette to use. But I'm ready to move on to the next one. We were at 20.4 grams last time. Now we're at 15.4. So we used up 5 whole grams, which is really great. Got great use out of this palette. Introducing the next eyeshadow palette I will be focusing on for the next 2 months. This is the BH Cosmetics Carly Bible Deluxe Edition. I do have the smaller one, but I thought I would tackle this guy right here, especially because I actually have never used it. Or maybe I just dipped into it once. I do see some brush marks, but not many. So I'm very excited to use this. And with this, we are starting at 35 grams. Next up, we have highlighters, which mine for the past 2 months was the Nicole Guerriero ABH palette. I have made a big dent in this color right here, which is Forever Young, and a dent but smaller in Glow Getter right here. So last month we were at 22 grams, now we're at 17 grams. So I put a good dent in this. And then what is replacing it for the next 2 months is the ABH Glow Kit in Sugar. So this guy right here, which is pretty much brand spanking new. Really excited to use this. We are starting out with 29.6 grams with this product. Last products I'm going to be sharing with you, and then we'll go through my list of products, are perfumes. So the first one is the Stella McCartney Pop. We started at this green line, now we are at this blue line. I want to say we are a 1/4 of the way done, which is great. And then I made big progress on this guy right here. This is the Good Chemistry Jasmine Rose perfume. We started at this green line, now we are at the blue, which the perfume stops right here. The perfume bottle actually stops right here. So we're about 2/3 of the way done. So I think I can get this done in March. Let's see what happens. Okay, going down my other categories. Hand lotion, nothing changed. Hand soap, we finished 2, so we are at 8. Body lotion, didn't finish anything. Body wash, I finished 1. Body scrub, nothing changed. Potted masks, I finished 1. Sheet masks, I finished 1, which is so horrible because they're so easy to use. I know it's playing over here, sorry. We didn't change anything in face cleansers, nothing changed with lip balms. Moisturizers, I finished one. Oils, we actually went up one because I got one in an Ipsy or a Birchbox, and it's a Josie Maran one, which I love, so I wanted to keep it, so I am factoring that in, even though I said I want it, but that was like a one-off. I don't know, I just added it in. Serums, finished one, and then eye creams, no change. Candles, we finished one. Room sprays, still the same. And then scent bulbs, we finished one. So we are at 20 products total, which last time I said I wanted 20 to 25 products done by February. So that I am on track with. I need to double that. I want to double that at the end of March. So let's see what can happen. I don't think that can happen. I really got to start using my sheet masks and all that kind of stuff, but we'll see. Yeah. I think we can make a large dent in March. So let's do this, guys. If you are along on the journey, try really, really hard. I will too. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll put my Project Pan playlist down below, so check out the other videos. And I will see you later, guys. Bye.